All right. What's up, everybody? So, I don't normally do a real life stream, but today we're doing one because today I'm switching from console to PC. I've never built a PC before, so I'm a total noob. Feel free to make fun of me. Feel free to give me insight. Feel free to give me constructive criticism to help me build my computer better. This will probably take me more than 3 or 4 hours, but I'm really looking forward to it. This is a dream fulfilled for me since high school. So why don't I go over some of the components I got, and then I'm gonna try and build it right here, so you're not gonna be able to see me as well. But I am a little limited on space, and I don't want to build it on the carpet, on the rug, or on the ground. I prefer to do it up here, so I'm not hunching over and killing my back. And I apologize, I'm not really equipped for this. So as far as microphone's concerned, it's a little far away. Video angle's not great. I apologize. It is what it is. But I thought I would include you all, whether it's one of you, two of you, five of you, 100 of you, and maybe I learned something along the way. Maybe you learned something along the way. I'm just so excited to share this with you, actually. So we'll go ahead and get started. Let me show you what I got here. We got the Core i9, the brain of the unit. We got dual 1 terabyte NVMe cards. I'm going to run in RAID so that they're constantly backing up. Got 32 gigs of Trident RGB RAM, 3200 megahertz. To make things a little bit easier on the cable management side, I did get the sleeved cables. We've got the Maximus Hero Wi-Fi motherboard, but I am going to connect Ethernet. I just liked the style in RGB. We've got the EVGA 750 watt gold power supply, fully modular. We've got the RTX 2080 Ti graphics card. No RGB fans, but this is RGB, this is RGB, this is RGB. And so what I was trying to go for were accents rather than just full on RGB. Now my case is a Fantex Eclipse 400S or something like that. It has RGB as well, and they're all ASUS AuraSync RGB. So they will all sync up together using the software provided from ASUS. And that way I don't have to change different software to get it all to work. Now, that's the theory anyways. I've read some reviews saying it doesn't work too well. So that's kind of disappointing, but I did want to make things as seamless as possible. Now, whether that happens in the real world or not, time will tell. So, yeah, I'm going to get started, and I need to start prepping the motherboard. So let me clear the desk here. We are back live. Yep, we sure are. Cool. So I'm in the process of putting together my first PC. And I got the motherboard in, I got the radiator in, I got the fans in, I got the RAM in, I got the CPU in, of course. I'm trying to figure out the power supply and all the different cables that I need and don't need. That's really the more of the issues. What do I not need? What is this? Oh, SLI bridge. I don't need that. I don't know which of these cables I need. They're not well labeled, so what do I need? I don't know. All right, well, I know I need the 24 pin, 4 pin, 8 pin. So let's grab those. Okay. Bracket things. All right, so here's the 24 pin. And here's this 24 pin. Motherboard. Are these not identical? This will go into the there. Some of this stuff out of the way. Okay, so go in there. The fans. I'm gonna try and route this way. This looks like that goes in here. And USB definitely goes there. This definitely. Okay. This is the motherboard. It's coming here. Pins go on the bottom. So those are in. Is 12-volt. That is awfully short. How is that ever gonna reach? That's not 12-volt. Is that what these are? These SATA power? A splitter? It looks like might be all right. All right. Do I want to build it, or do I want to? It's 11:50. Yeah, I gotta go to bed. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! It's alive! Yes. I will need to finish this tomorrow, though. Sweet. It sees the Ryujin. It sees the M.2s. Nice. 2 keyboards. 2 keyboards. Why does it see 2 keyboards? That's weird. 1 mouse, 1 hub. USB drive 0 is the Ryujin. Nice. Speed is 3.6. Yeah, looking good. It sees 32 gigs of RAM. It's a DDR4 2100, so I'll need to overclock it to get that 3200 speed. But yeah, it's looking good. Cool. Well, I'm gonna call it quits and finish this up tomorrow. Anyone watching this after the fact, sorry for all of the silence, all the dead space, dead air, watching me unpack, not seeing me unpack or do anything. But I'm just absolutely excited I got this running. Oh man, it's a good feeling. Right in the feels. Good night, good luck, bye-bye.